Hello guys, welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man and this is Create Visuals in Pixel on YouTube. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to create a Chrome logo icon, okay, using PixelLab. It's very easy to do. I'm going to be showing you another way you can create such logo using PixelLab. Okay, if this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe, turn on your notification to get more updated anytime we drop a new videos like this. Thank you, and let's get started. So first I need to go and then import my sketch that I made, okay, because this is the first step you take when you want to vectorize a logo. You must have your own sketch. Okay, this is what I sketched at the end of the day. So I'm going to import into my PixelLab and then expand it, and then I'm going to lock it because I don't want it to be movable. Then I'm going to reduce the opacity. We have been doing this all this time we have been creating logos, so I don't think this is a new thing altogether. So now we are going to start creating our logo. Okay, in this particular video I'm going to be using shape tool to create my logos. I'm not going to be using my BEIZER. Okay, I've been using BEIZER since this week. Okay, so for today's video I'm going to be using my shape tool. So just follow me up step by step. I won't be using voice note as usual, but I'm going to be making it as simple as possible. Just follow me up and let's get started there. Thank you. this is what we get at the end of the day. So you can see is a pure replica of a Chrome browser icon. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps. If it helps, don't forget to subscribe with us, share our videos, and let others learn from our channels. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next video. Goodbye from here.